Hello everyone, coming at you from the end of the video. I forgot to film an intro, so here I am. I also look a mess, so I apologise for that. It's just been a really lazy day and I couldn't be bothered putting on any makeup. But today I'm going to be filming like a trying to be vegan for 24 hours kind of video. Obviously I've already done it, so I know how I got on. I am pescatarian for the most part. I try my best. So I feel like the whole like not eating meat thing isn't going to be that tricky, but maybe the other stuff like will be a bit harder. So anyway, I'm gonna get into the video and you'll see me at breakfast. Also, just a fair warning, I am not the best chef to say the least, so do not be expecting some fancy gourmet meals created by me. Yeah, like the best thing I can make is pasta. So for breakfast this morning, I'm just having a banana and a glass of apple juice. Also, if you're curious, I'm taking like a calcium tablet because I don't really, well, I'm trying to not have that much dairy recently. Obviously this video I'm not going to have any because, you know, vegan. Yeah, just normally I'm trying not to eat a lot of dairy, so my mom's making me take a calcium tablet. And then I'm also taking an iron tablet because, well, I don't know if I am anymore, but I was anemic, so yeah, just trying to stay healthy. Also not showing my face because my eyes are really puffy. It's also snowing right now. How exciting. Yay. Hi guys, so I'm back from work now. I'm gonna have some lunch. Basically, I was not very prepared with this video. I don't really know what I'm gonna have. I'm thinking couscous and these like homemade potato wedges things. I really hope you guys don't expect this to be very informative and have like all these cool recipes in it and stuff, because not gonna lie, I can't cook. So I'm trying my best here by making these potato wedges. I hope they go well. I also don't know how long I'm meant to cook them for, but I'm gonna try and I'll show you how to make them in case any of you want to make it too. Also, I know this probably isn't the healthiest, but I will try and make up for that later. Can't guarantee that I will. So I'm gonna leave the couscous for right now because it takes less time. Okay, so hopefully this is a better angle so that you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna take my potato and cut it up. I don't know how to cut potato. I'm just gonna be cutting it into small sections. It's quite tricky. Oh, hello. My dog is literally scared of her own food. You're meant to kind of cut them the same size, but I clearly struggled with that. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing is adding some, what's this? Some olive oil, and then I'm going to be taking some paprika and hot chili powder, don't know if you can see that, and just sprinkling it all over. Okay, so now that you've put your desired amount of paprika and chili powder on it, I don't even know if, I hope those were the right spices because I don't remember. You just have to like mix it all about, get it all over everything. Now I'm just going to put these in the oven. I think it's for like 20 minutes, but I'm not 100% sure, so I will check back. Wow, I feel like I'm on a cooking show. So I got hungry and made my couscous before my potato wedges were done. This is what it looks like. It's the spicy one. I don't know what brand it is or anything, but it's just spicy couscous. I also can't really remember what time to put the potatoes in it. I'm also gonna have a glass of water with this, but I'm sure that's not an important part of the video. But definitely made too many, but this is what it looks like. So it's a couple hours later since I ate my, what did I have again? Since I ate my pasta, no I didn't have pasta. Since I ate my potato wedges and couscous, the potatoes really filled me up. Wouldn't recommend eating that many. I'm gonna make dinner soon. I just thought I would chat to you first. I'm trying to find a recipe for like penne arrabbiata because I feel like having pasta, and I was going to just use like a pasta sauce we got in the house, but that's not very entertaining for you guys, so I'm going to try and make something. This is all in like Dutch, I think. I found one on the BBC website, but it does not get very good reviews, so sorry BBC, not today. Okay, I found a Jamie Oliver one. We all love Jamie. Oh wait, I don't know if I like him or Gordon Ramsay. I can't remember. Is he the one who's like buying Percy Pigs? Okay, I've just found one that looks very easy. This website looks kind of dodgy though, so I literally kicked my family out of the kitchen to film this. But I'm not gonna lie, a bit confused. Right now, just chopping up 2 cloves of garlic. Also, you may have noticed I changed outfits. That's just because I was working out earlier. So yeah, just in case you're wondering. I really don't know why, but my kitchen right now smells like cheese and onion crisps. So here we have a lovely pan. I've just got the pasta there. I'm about to put it on to cook. Also my camera's about to die, so that's just great. But we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of olive oil and cook them in the pan with this. I literally feel like such a chef right now. Okay, so definitely overcooked that, but I was trying to do my pasta at the same time and I'm just not very good at multitasking. We are now gonna add some of this like passata thing. I'm gonna add this, the rest of this one, and then a full one of this. Definitely think I'm making too much, but we'll see. It also says to add 1 teaspoon of dried chili flakes or 1 fresh chili. However, don't have that, so I'm gonna be adding a teaspoon of hot chili powder. So hopefully this works. So please ignore the lighting, but I'm just about to try my penne arrabbiata. It said to add basil leaves on top, but I don't have any basil leaves. Like, is that another thing to have in your house? It also says to add Parmesan cheese, but not vegan. Oh, that's spicy. Wow, this actually tastes good. I tried to cook the pasta al dente, if that's what it's called, but I think it is just undercooked. So I just ate an apple as like a dessert slash a snack kind of thing. I'm just gonna end the video here. Overall, not gonna lie, I found it kind of easy, but obviously I appreciate that if you're gonna be vegan for more than 1 day, it's gonna be a lot harder than just what I did. So maybe I'll do like a trying to be vegan for a week video, maybe. It definitely showed me though that it's really not that hard to be vegan if I was thinking about going vegan, so I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway, and I will see you in my next one.